Does social justice matter for a sustainable future?
Yes, social justice matters for a sustainable future. Since sustainability is about having a fair and just society for all, without social justice, it is not conceivable to work towards a sustainable future or to achieve one. Thus, social justice is the primary focus of sustainability, a just society for human and non-human components of the world.
As J.R. Rahman reminds us, and I quote, the realization that it is not just global warming that we are dealing with, but global warming in an unequal and unjust world has yet to sink in. End of quote. To consider social justice as a separate discussion to discussions about environmental sustainability is to think of human beings somehow being separate or detached from the environment. It is to ignore the relationships and connections between humans and ecosystems. What if we start by acknowledging that we share a planet with the physical, natural environment, but also millions of other species and fellow human beings, and that we are deeply connected as far as the welfare of the planet goes, that our actions impact everything and everyone around us.
Social justice or social sustainability means valuing through real actions human, civil and political rights. It means absence of state oppression, war and violence. It means an income sufficiency, an economy that is sustainable and fair, free and equal access to social care, healthcare and education. It means security in welfare, in food and water, employment and housing. It means a government that is transparent and open, and society where people are free to be themselves, to express their thoughts and their identities, to organize and protest, to pursue activities that are enriching and meaningful. Social justice depends on environmental sustainability.
I would suggest that environmental and social justice are part of the same conversation, because if our values allow us to exploit other people, they will allow us to exploit nature as well. If we put our personal interests ahead of nature, we will also do that for other species and humans on the planet. Environmental destruction, colonialism, discrimination and exploitation based on race, class and gender, for example, are all part of the same discussion.
When a society stops caring for its people and when it systematically impedes people's ability to meet their basic needs, that relationship breaks down. People stop participating and investing in the society, they lose trust. Now, this can mean an increase in social disorganization and conflict, alienation. And in that situation, further more extreme ways to secure essential but depleting natural resources can become more acceptable, and the risk of environmental degradation increases. A truly sustainable future, therefore, is one where the well-being of people is realized through the well-being of the ecosystem that supports them, and the well-being of the environment is maintained and protected by the people who live in it.